Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Studio, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophia.
Hello, Sophia. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be back today.
It's great to see you, Daniel. How are you?
I am very good, thank you. I had a nice morning. I have my tea. I am ready.
Oh, you and your tea. And you have your coffee, I see.
Yes, a big coffee. I need it to start my day. I am very happy today. I am excited.
Oh, excited. Why are you excited, Daniel?
Because today we are talking about a very fun place. A place where everyone goes.
A fun place? The park?
No, not the park. It is a place inside. It is very big and it has many, many shops.
Ah, I know. A shopping mall.
Yes, exactly. We are going to talk about the shopping mall.
That is a great topic.
I like the mall. It's a good place to go on the weekend or even after work.
Me too. We can learn a lot of English words for the mall.
Perfect. I'm ready to learn.
Me too. But wait, Daniel, before we start our trip to the mall, our English trip.
Yes, we should ask everyone listening.
Oh, yes. Everyone, welcome. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, and please, if you like our podcast, click the like button. A big thumbs up. It really helps us grow.
And please subscribe to English Talk Studio. You will see all our new videos and lessons.
And share this podcast with a friend. If your friend is learning English, maybe they will like our chat.
Yes. Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, so Sophia, the mall, the shopping mall.
Yes, it is a big building.
It is. And what is inside the mall?
Shops. Many, many shops.
Yes, we also say stores, shop, or store. Both are good. They mean the same thing.
Okay, shops and stores. I like that. What kind of shops are at the mall?
My favorite food.
Yes, there is food at the mall. Where do you eat?
It is a big area, many tables, many small restaurants all together.
Yes, we call that the food court.
The food court, yes, I like the food court. What do you eat at the food court?
Oh, many choices. You can get pizza, burgers, tacos.
Pizza. I love pizza.
I know you do. Or you can get hamburgers, or Chinese food, or Mexican food.
Yes, so much food from different countries. The food court is a great place to eat and try new things.
Okay, so we have food. What else?
We have clothes.
Ah, yes, clothes shops. Many clothes shops for different styles.
Yes, you can buy new clothes for work or for fun. And what about shoes?
Yes, a shoe store. And a bookstore for books and magazines.
Yes, I love the bookstore. It is very quiet and peaceful.
Me too. So clothes, shoes, books, food, and sometimes a movie theater.
A movie theater. We can say cinema too, right?
Yes, exactly. Movie theater or cinema. You can watch the newest films.
Wow, the mall has everything. It is like a small city inside.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go shopping in our English chat.
Good idea. Let's go to a clothes shop.
Okay, we walk into the clothes shop. What do we see?
We see clothes for men and clothes for women and clothes for children too.
Yes, we see shirts.
Shirts, yes, and t-shirts.
T-shirts are very comfortable, perfect for summer. I like t-shirts.
Me too. What else?
We see pants.
Pants, yes, and blue pants are often called jeans.
I like to wear jeans every day.
Yes, jeans are very popular around the world. And we see dresses.
Ah, yes, like your beautiful blue dress for the wedding last month.
Yes, I bought that at the mall. See, the mall is very useful for special occasions.
It is, and jackets for when it is cold.
Yes, a warm jacket or a coat. And on our feet, shoes.
But we are in a clothes shop.
True, sometimes a clothes shop sells shoes too.
Ah, okay, but there is a big shoe store too.
Yes, let's go to the shoe store next.
Okay, we are in the shoe store. Wow, Sophia, so many shoes, different styles and colors.
I know. Look, black shoes, white shoes, brown shoes, red shoes, yellow shoes.
Yes, and sneakers.
Sneakers. What are sneakers?
Sneakers are sport shoes, comfortable shoes for walking or running or playing sports.
Ah, I like sneakers. Very good for walking at the mall.
Yes, and boots for winter,
Oh yes, boots when it snows.
and sandals for summer.
Sandals when it is hot.
Okay, let's go back to the clothes shop.
Okay, we are walking a lot around the mall.
We are.
Okay, I am in the clothes shop. I see a nice red shirt.
Ooh, red is a very nice color, bright and bold. I like it, but I need to know the size.
Ah, yes, the size. Is it big? Is it small?
Yes, we have sizes. We have small, the letter S,
Yes. And we have medium
medium, the letter M,
and large.
large, the letter L, and sometimes extra large.
Extra large. XL.
Yes, small, medium, large, extra large. S, M, L, extra large.
What size are you, Daniel?
I am medium. And you?
I am large. I am tall.
Yes, you are.
Okay, so you find the red shirt, size M.
Yes. Is it good?
I don't know. What can you do?
I can put it on.
Yes, you can try it on. Try it on. That is a very good phrase.
Yes. Try on the shirt. Where?
In a small room.
Yes, the fitting room.
Good job, Daniel. A fitting room or sometimes a changing room or dressing room.
Fitting room or changing room or dressing room.
Okay, so I take my red shirt. I go to the fitting room.
You try it on. You look in the mirror.
Yes, the mirror. I look. It looks great on me. I love it.
Wonderful. So you want to buy it?
Yes, I want to buy this red shirt. What do I do?
You take the shirt. You go to the front of the shop, to the checkout.
Yes, and I wait in a line.
Yes, a line of people waiting to pay. Then I talk to the person at the cashier.
Very good. The cashier is the person who takes the money and helps you.
Exactly. So I give the red shirt to the cashier, and the cashier says hello and scans it. Beep. That is $20.
$20. Okay. Dollars is the money in the United States.
Yes, the price is $20.
The price. Good word. How do you pay?
I can pay with cash.
Cash. Yes. Paper money and coins.
Yes. Or I can pay with a card.
A credit card.
Yes, a credit card or a debit card, or even with your phone these days.
Oh, yes. Mobile payment. Very modern.
Okay, so you give the cashier your card. Here you are.
The cashier smiles. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The cashier puts my red shirt in a bag.
A shopping bag.
Yes, and the cashier gives me a small paper.
Ah, the receipt.
Yes, the receipt. You are very smart, Sophia.
Thank you. The receipt.
The receipt is very important. Why?
Maybe I go home. I try on the red shirt again. And, oh no, it is too small or the wrong color.
Yes. Or maybe there is a problem with the shirt, a hole or a stain.
What can you do?
I can take the shirt and the receipt back to the shop.
Ah, you can return the shirt or exchange it.
Yes, I can return it and get my money back, or exchange it for a different size.
The receipt is my proof that I bought it.
That is a very good tip, Sophia. Always keep the receipt for a few days.
Yes, always. Keep it safe.
Whew, shopping is hard work.
It is. I am hungry now.
Me too. Let's go to the food court.
Yes, good idea. I love food court food.
Okay, we are at the food court. Wow, so many people eating, so many tables and chairs.
I know, it's very busy. What do you want to eat, Daniel?
I think pizza.
Yes, let's get pizza. It's a classic choice.
Okay, we go to the pizza shop inside the food court. We look at the menu on the wall.
Ah, the menu. The list of food with prices.
I see cheese pizza
Of course, the basic one.
and pepperoni pizza.
I like pepperoni. Me too. It's my favorite.
Okay, the person behind the counter says, "Hello, what would you like?"
That is a very polite question. What would you like?
Yes, and I say, "1 slice of cheese pizza, please."
And I say, 1 slice of pepperoni pizza, please.
And we need a drink.
Oh, yes. A drink is important.
And 2 waters, please.
Or you could get soda.
Yes, but water is healthy.
Perfect. We are very polite. We say please.
We pay the cashier. We get our pizza and our water on a tray.
And we find a table.
Yes, we sit down and eat.
This pizza is good. So cheesy.
Yes, our English pizza is very good.
It is. What other foods are at the food court, Daniel?
Oh, many options. There is usually Chinese food, like fried rice.
Yes. And Japanese food. Like sushi.
Sushi. I like sushi.
And maybe Mexican food. Like tacos.
Tacos are delicious.
And hamburgers and French fries.
The food court has everything. It's international.
Okay, we finished our pizza.
That was great. I'm full now.
What now?
We can go to the bookstore.
Ooh, I like the bookstore. It's quiet and smells like books.
Yes, we can look at books. Books in English. Good practice.
Yes, we can read the titles.
Or we can watch a movie at the cinema.
Yes, we go to the cinema. We buy tickets at the ticket counter.
Yes, we buy tickets for a movie. A comedy.
A funny movie. Good idea. Comedies are my favorite.
But Sophia, I am at the mall. I am walking and walking.
Yes.
And I am lost.
Oh no, lost. You don't know where you are.
Yes, I need to find the bathroom.
Ah, the bathroom or restroom.
Yes, where is the bathroom?
I don't know. What can you do?
I can find a person.
Yes, you find a person, maybe a worker at a shop.
And I say, you must be very polite.
Yes, I say, excuse me.
Very good start. Very polite. Excuse me.
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Perfect. That is the magic question. Where is...
Ah, I can use this for everything.
Yes. Excuse me, where is the food court?
Excuse me, where is the shoe store?
Excuse me, where is the cinema?
Excuse me, where is the exit?
Yes, where is so useful at the mall.
And the person is nice. They say, oh, the bathroom is, go straight and turn left. Or they point.
Yes, they help you. People at the mall are usually friendly.
That is great. So I am not lost anymore.
No, you are found. You found your way.
What about if you want to know when a shop opens or closes?
Oh, good question. You can ask, what time do you open? Or, what time do you close?
Yes. For example, the bookstore opens at 10 a.m.
And it closes at 9 p.m.
That's good to know. And what about sales?
Oh, sales. I love sales.
What is a sale?
A sale is when things cost less money. A discount.
Oh, so I can buy things cheaper.
Yes, the sign says 50% off.
That means half price.
Half price. That's great. I love a good sale.
Me too. We can save money.
What about trying clothes in English?
Yes, you can say, can I try this on? Or do you have this in a different color?
Good phrases. Or do you have this in a larger size?
Yes, very useful.
Wow, Sophia, the mall is a very good place to practice English.
It is. You can read signs, clothes, food court, exit, entrance, sale.
You can listen to people talking and announcements.
And you can talk.
Yes, talk to the cashier, ask for help, order food. 1 cheese pizza, please.
Yes, it is real English practice.
What about parking at the mall?
Oh, yes, the parking lot or parking garage. You park your car there.
Yes, and sometimes you pay for parking.
You get a ticket when you enter.
And you pay when you leave.
Exactly.
Wow, Sophia, look at the time.
Oh, yes. Time flies when we talk about the mall.
Yes, it does. I had fun today, Sophia.
Me too. I feel like I went shopping. I want to go to the mall now.
Me too. My feet are tired from our imaginary walk.
Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Yes. Thank you everyone for listening to English Talk Studio.
We hope you liked our chat about the mall.
Yes. Thank you so much for being here with us.
We hope you learned some new English words and phrases.
And please don't forget to subscribe to English Talk Studio.
Yes, and click the like button if you had fun today.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
We also have a question for you.
Ooh, yes. In the comments below, please tell us, what is your favorite shop at the mall?
Ooh, good question. Do you like clothes shops or bookstores?
Or what do you like to eat at the food court?
Yes. Do you like pizza like me? Or do you prefer something else?
Write your answers in English. Practice writing.
We love reading your comments.
We do. It is our favorite part of making this podcast.
Great. Well, see you next time, Daniel.
Bye, Sophia. Thank you for the fun conversation.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
Bye-bye. See you soon.